Hey guys, today I'm going to change the spark plug in my King Quad. So I was going to pop on here and make a quick video on how you do that. So first things first, I like to get all my tools laid out. I've got a torque wrench already set to 8 foot-pounds of torque, so that's what the spec is on the spark plug. Just got a regular wrench, a 3-inch extension, and a 5/8 socket. I've also got a spark plug. There's the model number set. Its gap is 0.028 to 0.03. So I always just like double check and make sure it's good. Behind the right front tire on the King Quad, there is a mud shield here on the inner fender that needs to get removed. It's just got a push pin up there. In order to remove that, you actually just have to push the dimple in on the middle and the plug will come out and then you can pull it back. I'll just show you guys how to do that. So you just take a regular screwdriver, push that middle piece in, it'll go all the way in. So yeah, when you pull it in, you just take the plug, push that all the way in. Before you reset it, just push it back through, and then push it through the hole, push it back in flat. So once that's out, you can just kind of bend this out of the way. Here we go, guys. So I just removed the dust shield and removed the camera off the tripod so you can get a better view of exactly where the spark plug is. So just behind the dust shield, there's the motor for the King Quad, and there's the boot for the spark plug. So all you do, pull this guy off. There's the spark plug boot. You can see it's quite long, that's why you need the 3-inch extension to get it down. Just move it out of the way, and then your socket and spark plug socket will just go down there. Back it off. It does come in handy if you have a magnetic tool remover, because it is a little ways down there. If you don't have magnetic tool remover, you can either use a claw tool remover or some needle nose pliers, but it'll take a little bit of messing around to get in there. And yeah, there's just a, so you can see just right in there. There's only one spark plug in the King Quad, so yeah, change her out, fly at her. Have a beer.